Hi, hello everyone. This is Srikanth. In this video, how to install Kubectl utility on Linux. But Kubectl we can use to one Kubernetes is deploy applications or YAML format deploy applications. We can use to the let's to demo practical. So go to new tab. So go to new tab in search in Kubectl install in Amazon Linux. So click on that. So install or updating Kubectl is first of all click. So scroll down variants of operating systems, Mac OS, Linux, Windows, different types of operating systems. You can choose to the Linux. Click on AMD 64. So 1.30 is a Kubectl version. So next, old version is 1.23 version. Install. So let's do copy. So go to Amazon account. Linux instance, one server created. Linux server. Give the name. Scroll down. Different types of operating systems, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, but you can choose to the Amazon Linux. 2023 expert Linux to selected. Scroll down. OT instance type V3 micro. So keeper or HDD keeper or create a keeper. So HDD keeper selected. Jenkins hyphen key. Scroll down. Click on launch instance. Scroll down. View all instance. Refresh again. Once again refresh. So installation select to the click on the public IP, let's do copy. Go to mobile shop here. Mobile shop here, open. So sessions click and this is click self secure. Remote host is the public IP is copy. Next to the paste here. So specific username is Amazon Linux EC2 hyphen user. So SS port number 22. So advanced setting click use private key enable. Click on that. It's a PEM file Jenkins hyphen key. Select open. So bookmark setting identify the server Linux hyphen server. So okay, click on that. So accept once. EC2 hyphen user admin prioritize no permissions sudo hyphen I. Change that. Okay, go to Chrome. The installation of 1.23 version Kubectl install download. Let's go copy. Go to mobile shop here, paste it. So we can 5 minutes download with Kubectl. So let's on enter. Kubectl is downloaded, but no execute permissions. CH mode 777 Kubectl. Enter copy paste here. So let's say LLM Kubectl execute permission, read write execute permission. So present working directory slash root directory. We can move that Kubectl user local bin. Any location is a version Kubectl install. So move command on Kubectl slash user slash local slash bin. Enter. So LL. So you can to move to one location or no another location. So slash user slash local slash bin. Enter. So check down that Kubectl is the move that slash local slash bin directory. You can choose to present working directory slash user slash local bin. Okay. So any doubts is comment box. Do you interested? Contact me Ganta Srikanth Private Limited. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see the next video.